Hillbilly Kyle here.
Willbilly here.
Today, well, tonight, you can see it's fucking hell. Right now we're waiting on the train, cocksucker. But we gonna go put the rest of the lift kit on Hero Blue. So, we're gonna make a little video on how to do that. Hopefully, Willbilly don't die.
Last time we did this, Blue 1, Willbilly 0. See how it goes this time. Hopefully it's not Blue 2, Willbilly 0.
It's not gonna be neither win or lose. We gonna win. We gonna lift this some bitch up.
Suck this, motherfucker.
See you when we get to the shop.
Amen.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We got all that taken off. You wanna see the front of the truck? Woo! Gotta do a lot of shit just to put a body lift on. That's how she's looking right now. We'll get back to you when we make a little more progress.
It's a pain in the cock.
He's being a pussy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what time is it?
It's time to go to fucking bed. It's 2:30.
2:30. We started on this at 8. We're almost done.
It's gonna be 2 hours, 2 to 4 hours.
That's what the instruction said, goddammit.
Don't ever fucking listen to this guy.
The instruction said 2 to 4 hours.
Fuck instructions.
Sorry, we didn't record much. We got a little carried away and trying to get this shit done so we can go home. I think these two motherfuckers helped me, but she is a lot taller. Well, not a lot, but she's taller.
Speaking of my cock.
She was about right here. Yeah, she got a little height on her now.
Hey, don't forget the other fucking person that helped us out too.
Where he at though?
He's on the other side.
He don't want me to be on video, but we gonna put him on here. Watch out, Willbilly.
He got you.
Okay. My stepdad helped me right here. Hope y'all saw him, I don't know. But yeah, he helped a lot. Uncle Jake, he helped me a lot. Yeah. It's been a long night, but we're almost done. Oh, we also took these off. Watch out. No more side steps. So I gotta hop into somebody's skin in now. Get back to you when we done. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Me and Willbilly here. Still got a chip in because we needed it. It's 4 o'clock in the morning right now. It's cold out here. Neither one of us got a jacket, but here she is, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully y'all can see us. It's a little dark out here, but she's all done. This is bullshit. She's a little taller. Oh shit, almost fell. Sorry we didn't record all that much, but
8 hours later.
it was a lot of work, but it was worth it. Thanks for tuning in. Me and Willbilly.
Don't be sensitive, America.
Put a bug chip in. We out.